Yeah, it's me again, Brian Engel here with Keller Williams Classic Realty with another real estate market update. What's going on in the market? You'll see here I've got Anoka County highlighted. So we're basically focusing on the market, the real estate market for Anoka County. First and foremost, we've got new listings selected here. So you can see that the market is still on the rise. We've got 4,600 homes on the market as new listings in July of 2017. Now that's a shift right there. So we're starting to see more of a buyer's market maybe taking place, just for the fact that there's more inventory on the market. So buyers have more homes to choose from. So here we're at 4,613. Just 2 months ago, we were at almost 1,000 homes less in May. So that, is going to basically create a more competitive market for sellers, meaning, there's more houses for buyers to choose from. So, I know there's been some mention of the market slowing. Probably late July, August, there is typically a slowdown basically due to people trying to get in a vacation before school starts. So here we're looking at new listings, total homes for sale in Anoka County. Again, we're seeing a rise up, from May 917. So there's a few more, almost 100 more homes just in Anoka County to choose from. Pending sales is still looking strong. So 3,600 homes in July, and that's 600 more pending sales. So closed sales is going to show pretty similar. Days on the market is going to go down, which is a little bit surprising because there is more inventory, but I think people are still reacting to, we need to close these things, we need to buy, and we need to close quickly. So I think that's what we're seeing. Another trend that shows we're kind of shifting into more of a buyer's market is the month supply. So here you can see March, April, May, we're at 1.8 months. June starts ticking up, and July is ticking up as well. And I would venture to guess that August is going to tick up a little bit too. Sale price, you can see it just keeps rising. So we're making more money per home that's selling, which is really good. And that's going to be reflected obviously in the price per square foot, which is on the rise. So now we're looking, if you're looking at a home, you can take the square footage, finished square footage, and figure on about $127 per square foot. So, those are some interesting characteristics. Another thing I like to look at is new listings. So a lot of times what will happen is buyers will lean towards new construction. So in this report, we're looking at the construction type, and right now we're looking at all construction types. But if I click on new construction, you can see there's a little bit of a trend down, but there was a big trend up in basically in April, May, June, July. We ticked down a little bit, but same thing happens. Builders know their market. They know the tendencies of the market, and July and August are going to slow down a little bit. So they're going to slow their processes down a little bit. But here you can see, we've got 569 homes in new listings in new construction in July. Typically, previously owned homes are going to trend a little bit behind the market. So people are seeing, hey, you know what? We got a shot to sell our home and move into something newer, nicer. So let's get our house on the market. So you'll see, like I mentioned, it typically trends a little bit behind the curve. And so here you can see new listings of previously owned homes is up to 4,000 in Anoka County in July, and that's up almost 1,000 homes. So more homes for buyers to choose from. There's still multiple offer situations going on out there. So I've always, said, for people when they've lost 4 of their offers and they're starting to get frustrated, look at new construction. It's a way to get exactly what you want, and 9 times out of 10, you're not going to be in a multiple offer situation. And you're probably going to be able to build in an area that you want to live in. So that's this market update, recorded here on August 20th of 2017. Thanks for joining me. I hope this information was helpful.